Iqembu elizibiza ngokuthi yiAssembly of the Unemployed selinkanise A Waterfront eKapa lizobhikishela ukufuna imisebenzi kanye nezinsiza zikahulumeni Litheleke eKapa ngamabhasi ngaphambi kwenkulumo yesabelo mali kaNgqongqoshe wezemali uTito Mboweni kusasa.
A Waterfront ingenye indawo eyimatasa kakhulu eKapa kepha namhlanje ukusebenza kwayo kuphazanyiswe yilombhikisho. Abagqugquzeli bahlele umbhikisho phambi kwePhalamende ngosuku lesabelo mali kusasa.
In South Africa there's 10 million people that are unemployed and many of them are young and many of them are women. There's about 1 million graduates that are unemployed sitting home without jobs. On Wednesday, Tito Mboweni will be delivering his budget speech. We want to know what he has to say there about jobs.
Lababhikishi bathi bazoya nasengqungqutheleni yezemisebenzi iReal Job Summit namhlanje nakusasa beyofuna imisebenzi kanye nezinsiza zikahulumeni.
Intomnyama abambonela indweni so sifuna ubona obubomi baphilayo nabo because bahleli pha ndaqala ukuze Waterfront okondabakho bahleli pha yabona batya ukutya oku expensive okudurayo engasoze ndikuafford mna because andisebenzi imali banjwe ngabo bane business sange baze na business abantu apha imali yoqala eza business bayithatha apha kweli lize lethu thina silibele ukuthula sihleli ngabantu abamnyama if kuthiwa abantu bane businesses zabo mabasiqashe because lilizwe lethu eli azange sisalelwe uba masihlupheke nathi.
Leli iqembu labantu abangasebenzi lihlela ukuqala umkhankaso we#MakeSouthAfricaWorkForUs ngaphansi kwesiqubulo esithi Cry of the Excluded ngemva kwesabelo mali. Lo mkhankaso uzoba indlela yokuqoqa amasu azosiza ohlelweni lokuqeda ububha kuleli.